Your English is good, so may I know how you learn English?
Actually, I was study in university and choose English faculty, but
And what is the situation in your country? Which season now?
rain, rain, and rain. But actually, we cannot prediction about seasons. It's sometimes hot, it's sometimes windy, it's sometimes rain.
Oh,
It's cannot prediction about it.
it's the horror situation right now, I think. I guess.
Mm, it's just for 3 years. I am drop out. I was dropped out from university because
What is the
I'm
reason?
bored. I'm bored. I don't like to learning or to study again. So I'm work. Now I'm a teacher in kindergarten.
Kindergarten, you are a
And
teacher. And which subject you are teaching right now?
right now I teach like a mathematics, reading, and then writing, and then coloring. Sometimes I will speak English for speak with them, and then they can watch that follow me
That's great.
to English.
So, what's your future plan? What do you want to do in future? Do you have any
My
plan?
future, my actually, I don't have a future. I just enjoy myself, just enjoy my life like this. I don't have a future actually. Sometimes we can plan the future. Sometimes the future will not come true. Then I always feel uh, work hard, but my future is fail and fail again. So I don't plan about the future.
Okay. I want to know about your country. Can you share something?
What do you want to know it?
I want to know which language do you speak? What's your native language?
We have so many language here that because so many how to say that province, and then also about islands here. So many language here, but the important is Indonesia language, bahasa.
Bahasa is your native language. Okay.
Bahasa.
Bahasa.
But actually, meaning of bahasa is language.
In your country, learn English is very easy or hard?
Depend about the person want to learning or not. So, when we want to learn, and then it will be easy. But sometimes the people of us in this country, sometimes they will bullying about a person who speak English. Like, why you speak English? You are in Indonesia, so you can speak Indonesia. Actually, don't be like Indonesia person and then you talk English. It's so not your style like that.
It also happened in my country because Bangladesh is a very small country. Only one language here used to speak. It's called Bengali. I mean Bangla. Everyone speak
Bangla,
in
right?
Bangla language. So if anyone try to speak in English, so many people think, why are you speaking English? You can speak in Bangla. And if you try
Yeah.
to speak English, so many people thinking you are showing off you. So they think you don't need to learn English. But if you know,
Yeah.
nowadays English is an international or global language. If you want to communicate with other people like you, so you have to know how to speak English, right? And also,
This
so
is
many
true.
people in my country doing freelancing. I think you know about freelancing, right? Freelancing means
Oh, what
work
is that?
from home.
One from home?
Yeah. I mean, I'm in Bangladesh, but I work in USA client. I have USA client, so it's like a freelancing. It's
Or is it a freelance? Freelancing. Okay, okay,
okay.
okay. Now I got
You
it.
got it. Okay. So in this condition, you have to speak English because your client is foreigner. They don't know how to speak Bengali or your native language, so you have to learn English. In this reason, so many people nowadays learning English in my country. And nowadays learning English is very easy because you get so many free resources to learning English, especially YouTube, Facebook, available so many
Mm,
videos you can learn
yeah.
and
And then
practice.